Welcome to my channel, Tech Titan Reviews, where we dive deep into the latest tech innovations. Today we're focusing on the DJI Mini 5 Pro, a highly anticipated drone that has been making waves in the drone community. As we inch closer to its official release, the excitement surrounding this compact yet powerful drone continues to grow. Whether you're a beginner looking to get into drones or a seasoned professional in aerial photography and videography, the DJI Mini 5 Pro has something for everyone. In this video, we'll explore everything we know so far, from official features and leaks to pricing, performance, and how this drone will shape the future of aerial technology. Stay tuned to learn why the DJI Mini 5 Pro could be the next must-have drone in 2024. One of the standout features of the DJI Mini series has always been its compact design, and the Mini 5 Pro continues this tradition. Weighing in under 250 grams, it fits comfortably in your hand, making it portable and travel-friendly. Despite its small size, the Mini 5 Pro packs a punch with features typically found in much larger drones. Whether you're hiking through the mountains or flying in urban environments, this drone's compact design won't compromise its performance. At the heart of the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its advanced camera system, designed for users who demand high-quality visuals without the bulk of a larger drone. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to capture stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second, offering silky smooth footage that is perfect for both casual users and professional content creators. One exciting rumor circulating is that the DJI Mini 5 Pro will come equipped with AI-powered features that will elevate its photography and videography capabilities. Another exciting feature is the Mini 5 Pro's upgraded internal storage system. Unlike previous models, which relied solely on external SD cards, the Mini 5 Pro includes 8 GB of onboard storage. Flight time is one of the most critical aspects of any drone, and the DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to offer significant improvements in this area. With a 40-minute flight time per charge, this drone is designed to maximize your time in the air. In addition to obstacle avoidance, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to come with an improved return to home (RTH) feature. This function ensures that if the drone loses signal or runs low on battery, it will automatically return to its takeoff point, preventing accidental loss or damage. Rumored price range of $750 to $800 makes it surprisingly affordable for the level of technology it offers. This competitive pricing positions the Mini 5 Pro as an attractive option for both hobbyists and professionals alike. In conclusion, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a game-changer in the drone market. With its advanced camera, extended flight time, internal storage, and smart safety features, it offers an exceptional package for both beginners and professionals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.